Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to switch from Mailchimp to ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log into Mailchimp, and here on the left hand panel click on audience. You'll see all the contacts you have. Here as you can see we have 25. Then just click on this checkbox and click on export audience. And when you get this prompt, click on confirm export and you'll actually get an email with the download. So you come back to our email, click on download list data right here, and it will download a zip file. Okay. Now what you want to go ahead and do is open your file explorer and just go ahead and extract this zip file. Okay. So I'll extract it right here and let's go ahead and open it up. And here, as you can see, we have our Excel file. Now, all you need to do is go to ConvertKit and then just bring in this list of subscribers. So here we have this whole list. Okay, let's close this and go back to ConvertKit. Come here at the top, click on Grow. On this drop down, click on Subscribers. And now we'll be bringing in the subscribers. Okay. So just go ahead and scroll down, click on Add Subscribers, click on Import CSV, and then just drag and drop your file right here. There we go. And then just go ahead and choose the field. So we need to map the columns accordingly. So make sure everything is correct and then go ahead and click on Next. So I've mapped these, for example. You can click here on Next. If you want any tags, you can add those. I'll just click here on Start Import. Okay, now the subscribers are importing. You can click here on Got It. And then it should refresh and add the new subscribers to ConvertKit. Okay, just give it a few moments. And after that, you can come and create your email templates here, create your sequences and any automations. You can set those up. So that is how you switch from a Mailchimp to ConvertKit.